Yes. Now, right now I want to assess to see how I can use round numbers to do simple top-down analysis from the higher time frame. So this is GBP/USD. I'm starting from the month of April. This is the month of April. This is where it closed here. You'll see that there's a zone just above price. Okay, now this is probably showing me that it's going to be bullish. I mean, the month of May is going to be a bullish month, but I cannot. But then it is closed in this zone here. Okay, so for the month to be bullish, we need to see price breaking this area and retesting it. As long as it stayed below this zone, the market is bearish. So this candle looks bullish, but it has closed below this zone. To get more information, let me go down to weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. This is the last candle of the month. You can see how bearish it is, because okay, no, before I come here, from the monthly time frame, so as long as price is below this zone, our playing ground is going to be between these two zones here, this zone and this one. So this is going to be our playing field during the month of May. And this one, this is going to be our playing field during the month. Okay, here, let me go down to weekly now. Okay, now this is weekly time frame. It has clarified matters a lot. It has clarified things a lot, because you see this candle, the last candle of the month, it has closed, it has opened and closed inside, I mean below level 25, 1.25. Okay, although they pulled up, but they pulled back quickly, trapping buyers. So there are buyers trapped here, and this is a very high time frame, so we don't expect these buyers to be set free anytime soon. Okay, so again, now our playing field gets smaller. Now this is our area. This is the area in which we are going to trade during the month of May, because since these people are trapped here, it is likely that market makers will come down to clear stops in this area for coming up to clear these people here. Okay, let me go to daily and see if it will give us more clarity. I want to see the last day of the month. So this is okay, this is 30th of April. And this is 1st of May. 1st of May was a Friday. It was a Friday, so and that is why the monthly candle is very bullish. So when this week ended, we would determine how the month was going to look like, because the last candle of the month, the last daily candle, came back inside the previous month's range, clearly indicating that this is going to be during the month. So this information now, when Monday started, the first Monday of the month of May, okay, it was a clear, it was just we would sell until when we hit this lower zone here. So the power round numbers, they pulled back below 1.25, and then that indicated that they were going to push until they clear stops in this area, and that's what they did. Okay, that's exactly what they did. Now let us see some selling opportunities. Okay, daily. Okay, so this candle closed back inside the 1.25, but it did not. Okay, our first zone is this one for now. Okay, this one. So, okay, this is 4th of May. Let us even go to H4 and see. Okay, where is 4th of May? It's here. So this is 30th of April, 1st of May, 4th of May, 4th of May. Okay, this is the candle which closed at 8 o'clock in the morning. We know that if we're going to sell, there's a gap behind this candle here. So we wouldn't do anything until it's quiet because we wanted to see them filling this gap. And that is why on the 5th of May we would sell. Again on the 7th we would do nothing or buy. And then on the 8th of May, again we sold. Okay, let me go down back to the monthly time frame. The month which followed. Okay, using round numbers, simple round numbers. Okay. Okay, so this month, this is the month of May now. This is how it closed. Push down to make people believe that it's going to be a selling month, and then pushed up. Buyers trapped in this area. So it indicates that this is going to be our trading range during the month of May. I want this to coincide with the zone. Okay, so it's going to be a straight buy. This is what's going to be our range during the month. Again, I go to the weekly time frame. Okay, this is April. Okay, so this is the last candle. This is okay. Okay, we are now working on the month of June. We want to see what will happen in June. So I go to weekly and go to the last week of the month of May now. This is 10th, okay, what 24th of May. It is the last candle of the month. It is the pushed outside and then came back into the range. This is very, very sweet. Let me adjust this on to 23. So effectively, our range during this month was going to be 23, 27. That is 400 pips. And that is exactly what happened. Look at this. So when they came back into the range in this candle, we confirmed that this is going to be a bullish month. And that is exactly what happened. No, not exactly bullish, but we know this is going to be our trading range. Okay. Let me continue with the month which followed. So this was the month of sorry, this was okay. This is 24th. This is okay, 31st. Okay. Yeah, this week started on 31st and ended during the month of within the month of June. And then you had this one. Everything which happened later was quite clear. Okay, we danced within the range. Everything was within the range during the month of June. Now let me look at this, the current month, and then I'll go to the indices. Okay, so the current month, this is the month of June. Okay, this is the month of June. They cleared stops above the two previous months, and then they came down. I wouldn't say this candle is a bearish candle because it's difficult to tell given the fact that it is within this huge candle here. So Still, I don't see a trending market yet. I think this market, in my opinion, is still ranging. And our range, trading range in this case, is this. Okay, I don't see, because by the way, this candle is bearish and bullish because the closing price is above opening price. So you have this area and this one. Okay, that is what we have in the monthly time frame. Let me look at the last week of June. What happened? Yeah, this is 21st of June, and this is 28th of June. Look at this. So 21st of June, here it was an inside bar. It confirmed that we are going up. So I think from here I think we'll break this area and continue to push up. But already we know that we have a range of 500 and also pips during this month. Let me do indices now. Let me do indices. Share indices. Okay, this is indices on the monthly time frame. Okay. Well, this is too wide. These indices are just something else. Okay, let me try my best to do this. Okay. Okay, let me go to the monthly time frame. I want to see what is going to happen during the month of July based on what has happened in June. Okay, in June, price moved quite a lot from 48, this 480000 to somewhere here 36 or something like that. That is quite a wide range. 360000. So that is our range for the previous month. And now let me go to the weekly time frame and see how the week ended. So this is 14th of June, this is 21st of June, this is 28th of June. This was the last candle. This was the last candle of the month, the last weekly candle. Okay, if you look at the monthly, you don't see direction because it's a doji, and then you come to weekly, you have this. It's an inside bar, I would say. It's an inside bar, and this is the last candle. Okay, when this candle closes, we'll be able to know where exactly we are going during this month. But our trading range in this case is this. Let me go to daily. Let me go to daily. 25th of June, 28th of June, 29th of June, 30th of June. Here, this is where the month ended. I think we are going up. I think we are going up because let me go back to weekly. Now this week has to end, and it is ending tomorrow because it is the last week of the month. So once it ends, if it closes above level 36 here, if it closes above this level, it will be a confirmation that probably during this month we are coming here. Okay, so that's it. And looking at this, this is the last candle, the last daily candle of the month here, and it was a pullback, and then price pushed it down very heavily. This is a very strong zone. This is a very strong rejection. So depending on what happens today and tomorrow, we'll be able to see, but I think we are going up big time. Okay, I see a trend line. Let me draw it. I see here. I think we are going up quite a bit. I think we are going up quite a bit, and in the V75 moves a lot. This was just a diversion. I mean, a deviation. It's not. This was deviation, so I don't see it as a legit candle. Right? Yeah, it's a deviation. So this trend line still remains intact for me. Let us see what happens, but I think we are going up quite a bit. I think we are going up quite a bit because the monthly was doji, and then okay, so this the last this weekly candle, if it fails to break level 36, if we don't break level 36 by tomorrow, then I think the next week is going to be quite bullish. I think it may come all the way up here. So let us stay tuned and focused and attentive. Things are going to happen. So tomorrow, okay, so today is about to end probably. I don't know, but I think we may be we may have a very bullish month. Yeah, very bullish. Let me do a month before. Yeah, for learning purposes. Okay, so this is the previous month. This is the month of May. Let us see how the month of May informed the month of June. Our songs are similar, sort of. I think yeah. Let me make this 47, and then this is the same. Okay. Okay. This is the kind. It was not a trending candle really. Okay, this is the 1st of May. So let me go to the last week of the month of May. Okay, is it? This is 17th of May. 4th of May. This is the last 31st of May. Okay, so this was very sweet because they stopped here at the middle with a bearish candle, and then they left this gap here. So it was clear that they were coming down to fill this gap and then shoot up, and that's what they did. I don't know if the current month will end like this, but this was a very clear month. So once they came down to fill this gap, we would look for buying opportunities. Quite clear. Okay, this is 31st of May. Let me do daily and see. This is 3rd of June. 31st of May is this one. Oh, this was so nice. That is straight for example, this candle broke the zone here. You would wait for a pullback and then you would sell up to the bottom and then buy. It was quite clear. It was quite clear. So the way they close, the way they, for example, the first of this was the 30th of June here, bullish. Okay, it was 30th of June. It was a pullback. Okay, it was a pullback. So you had this zone and this one holding price, and then you have this gap below. So you sold, you would just sell straight and put out a profit here. That was more than 4,000 pips. Okay, straight stuff. So once they pushed down heavy and then pull back, okay, you would clearly know that their aim now is to fill this gap, and once this gap is filled, they are going up. So this market is going to go up big time. going to go up big time. This one. Yeah. Is this a W? I don't know. Let us wait and see. So that's it. I hope you learn a thing or two from this one.